There's very little room underneath it, so this is what I thought of. You know, park these oil ramps on the road, and this is on the sidewalk, so it makes it a little bit higher. But even though I need to be working out there, so it didn't really do much good. But you know, I didn't know what I was going to be doing today. I was just trying to figure out the shake, and then I found out that this transmission mount wasn't looking very good, so I went and bought it real quick. So yeah, that's this bracket right here. You're gonna have to take off a few bolts, but time to get underneath. It's a tight squeeze. It's so much easier for people that have no lift. So this is where the motor mount goes. See, it goes onto here, and then the bracket screws on to these three, and these three on this side, from here to here, this black bracket. But the motor mount screws onto here. So you want to hold your transmission with a jack. You might want to put a piece of wood over here on the jack. I didn't do that, but you know, it's best if you do. I'm gonna need to lift the transmission higher, since since the new one sits higher than the old one. The old one was bad, so this thing was higher, therefore the trend was lower. So I need to lift the transmission higher because this is a brand new one. Ah, crap. There you go.